Number 10, boiled carrots. Number 9, pasta. Number 8, sage. Number 7, oatmeal. Number 6, honey tea. Number 5, scrambled eggs. Number 4, lemon juice and honey mixture. Number 3, chicken soup. Number 2, bananas. Number 1, fruits and vegetables.